Hello everyone ចាសួស្តីបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នារីករាយដែលបានជួបគ្នាសាជាថ្មីចាមានកូនសិស្សម្នាក់ក៏សួរខ្ញុំថា Teacher ហេតុអីបានជា Teacher ចង់ខ្លាយជាគ្រូបង្រៀនចាគាត់សួរអញ្ចឹងហើយស្រាប់តែខ្ញុំបានឆ្លើយថាខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តក្មេងៗចាហើយពេលខ្ញុំបង្រៀនពេលខ្ញុំឃើញគាត់សប្បាយចិត្តហើយពេលខ្ញុំឃើញគាត់ញញឹមរៀនជាមួយខ្ញុំនោះហើយគឺជាភាពរីករាយរបស់ខ្ញុំចាអញ្ចឹងឥឡូវបន្ទាប់ទៀតយើងចូលដល់មេរៀនរបស់យើងណាH for hat H for hat H for hat What is hat តើបងប្អូនដឹងទេថា hat គឺជាអ្វីចាំទាយជាមួយគ្នាណាអូខេ you guess together ពេលដែលបងប្អូនទៅខាងក្រៅបងប្អូនក្តៅអញ្ចឹងបងប្អូនត្រូវការអ្វី So when you go out it's very hot so what do you need to put on your head ចាបងប្អូនត្រូវការអីគេចាយើងមើលជាមួយគ្នាណាមួកចាមួកចា Next បន្ទាប់ទៀត H for hand H for hand What is hand តើ hand គឺជាអ្វីបងប្អូន So normally when you go to the villages right and then you will see a lot of hands yeah and you will hear the sound of like this okay I make the sound for you and then you guess together okay the hand sound is cook đừng có tao ai bọn này nghe tao you know right what's that right okay see together cha cứ sạch muôn yeah sạch muôn okay H for hand okay now time for singing please sing together with me okay so when you sing please open your mouth and sing loudly ចឹងពេលបងប្អូនច្រៀងសូមបើកមាត់ហាមឲ្យធំហើយច្រៀងជាមួយអ្នកគ្រូជាមួយគ្នាណាចា Her in hat is her in hat is her is the sound of head okay sing together 1 2 3 Her in hat is her in hat is her in hat is her is the sound of head faster Her in hat is her in hat is her in hat is her is the sound of head yeah you all sing very good បងប្អូនជឿបានល្អមែនតើ good next បន្តទៀតណា Her in hand is her in hand is her is the sound of head 1 2 3 Her in hand is her in hand is her in hand is her is the sound of head again Her in hand is her in hand is her in hand is her is the sound of head okay that's all for today goodbye everyone